dog. There's another dog, Hope.
He's fine. As long as he doesn't go after it.
I can't fly.
What? What? What's wrong with having a dog over there? Some... I don't know if I got that. Damn.
Tucker slide.
Should I? Good boy, Tucker. It's so cute. He's not happy with us. Tucker. Hi, puppy. Oh shoot, it's bad. This is what it looks like. Puppy. I'm looking through it at the hole. I'm looking through this hole for you guys. I have a feeling if I put my fingers through it, he's gonna bite me. We got him. He's not happy. Puppy!
Tucker's like, be quiet.
Hey! He doesn't like us. Look, here's another hole. I got him on video. He's right there, that's what he looks like. He's pretty though. Tucker! Oh, move it. Should I do it more?
He's so cute.
He is.
Watch how much spit comes off this. Watch, ready?
Ew. I don't think the camera picked it up. Where'd he go? You can see him. He's right there. Can you see him? Tucker!
Yeah.
You can see him through the holes. Should we have Tucker do it more? Wait, should I give the ball to someone else? Here, put it right there. Goodbye, Tucker.
You know how I
He's
never
doing it
had
again.
Slow-mo? Look, Hope. I have slow-mo built on my camera now. Look. Ready?
Cool. Get him, Tucker. They have a trampoline in their yard. Oh. Tucker.
Are you trying to break that?
No, she has a slow-mo setting. Tucker, look at my camera. Hi, Tucker. Look what I'm doing. Ready? Look at.
Tucker, get off my dinner. Come on, get.
When your dog doesn't want to listen.
My food. Come on. Get. Move. Move, you dog.